You know what a pulse is, right? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a different kind of pulse, and it's good for you, the soil, and the earth. Most of the world refers to dry beans, peas, and lentils as pulse crops. We know them as a variety of tasty and healthy foods, such as kidney and pinto beans, and peas and lentils. They're such an important crop that the United Nations declared 2016 the International Year of Pulses. The Crop Science Society of America is helping to educate the public about the importance of growing and eating this important crop. Pulses are not only good for you, they're good for the soil too. Pulses work with soil microbes to perform an important function called nitrogen fixation. Unlike most plants that pull nitrogen from the soil as they grow, pulses work with soil microbes to pull nitrogen from the air and put it back into the soil. The microbes live in lumps called nodules on the roots of pulses. The microbes pull nitrogen from the air and turn it into nitrogen compounds that the pulses need to grow. This is called fixed nitrogen, and the process is called nitrogen fixation. It's not just a one-way street though, because in return for this fixed nitrogen and nitrogen compounds, the plants return food and energy to the soil microbes that they need to survive. When the plants and roots die, the fixed nitrogen is released into the soil, making it available to other plants. It also makes the soil more fertile. Growers often turn leaves and stems into mulch to add even more nutrients to the soil. The dead plants and leaves add organic matter to the soil, which increases the water holding capacity and increases the storage of nutrients. That's how pulses make soils more healthy. Pulses are part of any sustainability plan for growers. Growers are now using a process called crop rotation that benefits from using pulses. Growers will plant a pulse plant one year and another crop another year. This reduces the amount of fertilizer needed, as well as improves the community of organisms in the soil to make a better environment for the plants. Another sustainable fact about pulses is they use much less water for every ounce of protein produced than other crops. Pulses are an important crop. They're tasty and healthy for humans to eat, and they're good for the soil too. The Crop Science Society of America encourages you to include more dry beans, peas, and lentils in your healthy diet. And consider growing some in your home garden to improve the soil there too. To learn more about plant science for a better world, visit crops.org/IYP.